Hello everyone. Okay, so this is Habib, and today we are going to talk about a website where you can, see the things that if you're visiting Dubai, UAE, what things we can do in UAE. Here, this is a website. It's called visitdubai.com. So you can see like about Dubai, their local culture, like things to do, like arts, shopping, experience food, drinks. So everybody wants to, experience such things. And what could be the new restaurants, hotels are in Dubai, so you can enjoy, you know, Dubai. So in case if you're planning the trip, you can get information on the visa guide and the flights, accommodation, and the currency exchange rate as well. And if you're looking for some discount, you can have the deals for both, dining deals as well, the shopping deals, hotels deals as well. So I visited Dubai for two times, and it was a great experience for me. And like you can see and if you must visit this downtown Dubai. It's a pure magic. It's a pure magic. And what are the places in Dubai you can check out. So it's a great experience for everyone who wants to visit Dubai. There are like some good desserts, deserts, you can say. You can have a good adventure. There are cultures very, they are very rich in the culture and arts as well. So you can also see some concerts as well. What are the upcoming events in May, June, July, and all the year. And the biggest concerts do happen in Dubai, especially like Taylor Swift, and many of them do come. So Dubai is like a small place, but it's a more explored place and all over the Middle East. You can even visit the Palm Jumeirah, Jebel Ali, Dubai Investment Park, and many more. So this is a website where you can check out all the information on UAE if you're visiting Dubai. You can get some, you can get visa guide, passport, transportations are available. Don't get into the taxis; they are very expensive, basically. So for example, if you're going for with your family, so you can have 60% with the bypass. So do avail these offers, and hope that you can even see the weather in Dubai right now. How is it going over there? So check out the weather as well before you go. And yep. And these are the calendar, and these are the events that will be there or being happening in Dubai. So yep, check out, and do let me know if you're enjoyed the Dubai.